The Oreck ORB550MC floor machine bundle is an exceptional cleaning tool, versatile enough to clean a variety of hard floors including wood, vinyl, and tile, as well as carpeted floors. This floor buffer operates by oscillating the brush or pad at a speed of up to 175 revolutions per minute, allowing it to buff, clean, polish, sand, scrub, strip, or wax floors without causing any damage. The product features a 12-inch orbiter pad driver. The floor machine is made of black plastic with teeth, which contributes to its durability and efficiency. Priced at $324.76, the Oreck ORB550MC floor machine bundle offers a high-performance cleaning solution that is reflected in its high review score of 4.8 out of 5. With 34 reviews, this product has proven to be a popular choice among customers in the industrial and scientific, janitorial and sanitation supplies, and floor cleaners categories.